to tell. Okay, you are enjoying the trip?
Yes.
What you are enjoying?
I'm enjoying a lot.
What you are enjoying?
I'm enjoying.
Don't show me your teeth. What you are enjoying, tell me.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when
Alright guys, so we are back in the hotel. Yeah, शाम को as I told you guys, I was very tired, so got some rest. तो अभी बज रहे हैं रात के 1:30. कल हमारा प्लान है घूमेंगे फिरेंगे नाचेंगे गाएंगे ऐश करेंगे और क्या. So I will see you tomorrow. Another day, another evening. Another day, another noon, another evening. So okay guys, we are back. Today we are checking out this hotel and we are going to another hotel. Basically हम अभी check out करते हैं फिर जगह पे रख के we go for a city tour and then we will take the luggage and. Alright guys, so we have reached to the Bristol Harbour beach. तो यहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. So basically यहाँ पे सारे boats हैं, the house boats where people come and have good time. They spend time in the house boats. So अगर आप देखें तो देखिए ये this is the harbour beach और ये सब house boats हैं. So you can come, you can book the boat, spend night, couple of nights. It's just like a hotel. It's completely full of boats. So quite nice place. If you are coming to Bristol, then you can book your hotel from this website tranquilrose.co.uk. This is
the tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word.
So guys, this is one of the biggest and most famous pub, on water pub of UK. If you see, so you can come in the evening. This starts in the evening. You can come in the evening, go to the lounge area, enjoy your time, and just lost in the booze. And that's it. So this is. Alright guys, so जैसे कि मैंने आपको दिखाया कैन बार biggest bar of UK, right? So I am right now standing on the top of that particular bar. अगर आप देखें तो this is the bar basically which I showed you, and if you see, this is the entire view. So I am right now at the top of the deck of that particular bar. So in the morning guys, they serve breakfast, they serve tea, coffee, and wow, this is the view. Amazing. So this is basically, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, this is a ship. They have converted this ship into a bar and breakfast house. So what I am getting is, I am getting a shot of espresso and a double chocolate muffin. खाना तो था नहीं, just कि मेरे को यार यहाँ का इस प्लेस का शॉट करना था, शॉट लेना था. That's why I decided to come here and have this one. It's a very nice place. आपको seats यहाँ पे arranged है. If you see, just sit and see the view and enjoy the cup of coffee.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost them.
Okay guys, so after visiting that particular sky deck, we are now going to the Bristol Zoo so that we can see some animals. So of course you can see animals at the zoo. तो यार हम लोग सब जा रहे हैं, तो देखते हैं. The path is Google Map follow करते हुए we are walking and it is 30 minutes from that particular point.
Will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a Take it in with your life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes are funny, my tongue tied up on it.
So guys, right now we have reached to a place. यार पता नहीं है, but this pretty nice, like very big architectural monument. Oh, Clifton College.
'Cause you got me holding, holding.
The Clifton College, Bristol, and this is their playground. Amazing campus. If you see, this is an amazing campus. So this is a hostel part basically. Never heard of that. This is I think this is Mr. Clifton, who is standing right over there. We'll go and see. We'll check. Yeah, let's go and see inside and check what Mr. Clifton have to serve for us. So guys, this is the notice board. If you see, this is all the tournaments which has been played, cricket and some battlefield strip. And this is the architecture quite old though, but looking amazing, guys. So this is so I think the school holidays are going on right now. So yeah, so it's off currently. This may be the farewell chart with the images. Yeah.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
So guys, यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे बिल्डिंग बेसमेंट पे दिखेगा, क्योंकि this whole city is situated in the hilltop. So I have seen most of the houses, they have a basement which is below the ground floor. So that is quite interesting architecture. So nice. This is, yeah.
We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone.
Very nice time over here, guys. Lovely campus, lovely lush green ground, too many facilities.
Let's all take a Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah.
Okay guys, so after visiting to the Bristol Claflin School and lots of other places, we have came here for lunch. So this is a Tikka Flame, a very big and award-winning restaurant in Bristol city. We have ordered few of the restaurants. We are trying to some Indian cuisine. See, this is the menu card, and this is the Tikka Flame. Yeah, we have ordered lamb tikka, garlic naan. We have ordered puri, vegetable puri, matar paneer. So let's see, let's eat and let's see how the taste is. I hope it should be good, because the ambience, if you can see the ambience, can you show the ambience? It's very good, I must say. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are back again. गाइस, तो जैसे कि मैंने दिखाया कि होल डे वी स्पेंट अक्रॉस n number of places. We had literally blasted the whole Bristol. We went to zoo, we went to Clifton School, we went to 50th most happening pub cum cafe in Bristol, boat deck. Okay, then we roam across the places, right? So now after that we checked out from our previous IBS hotel and we have now checked into another hotel. So basically we have booked 2 different hotel for 2 different days, just to feel the differences. So this is our another hotel. So this is called Pop Up Bristol. So यार ये जो होटल है, एक सेकंड जूम कर देता हूँ यार. Really enjoyed a lot. बहुत घूमा हमने. I think we walked 11 miles today. Weather was also very good. It was bright sunshine, which is very hard to get. अभी हम लोग, it's now, what is the time? Where is my watch? It's now 10:30 Saturday night. We are planning to go out. We will roam somewhere probably. घूमते हैं. We had our lunch at Tikka Flames. That was an authentic Indian cuisine. उन्होंने बोला कि this is an authentic Indian cuisine, award winning, blah blah blah. But food was literally not good. The food out there. Right? वो कहावत है ना, ऊंची दुकान फीका पकवान, whatever it is. I hope you had a lovely time. Yeah, no, मैं जा नहीं रहा हूँ. I will be back. Till then, peace out and enjoy.
So guys, please share, subscribe, bye और घंटी बजाइए नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन के लिए.
Lions roaring in the morning sun.